Alright, YT, what's happening? It's your boy, One Touch, man. Back with another one. 1997, short bed, OBS, step side. And you already know what we putting in here. Yes, sir, putting that old top slide in. Kinda already came, y'all kinda introduced y'all to the part a little late. I already broke it down. The seats was already out of this truck. So I broke it down. I already got the headliner out. Got the double skin already cut. See, I got it nice and cut out. I might have to do a little bit more cutting. I just gotta see when I cut my hole for up top. I haven't got my measurements yet. I just took the skin down. As you can see, I got it right here right now. I'm about to get ready and trim it down to size or whatnot. So when I get that trim down the sides, I'm gonna go ahead and set it back up top and get my measurements or whatnot. And what else I have to do? It look like once I get it cut, grind everything down to brown metal, man, I'm gonna be welding this thing up tonight. So I know for sure it's gonna be welded tonight. Let y'all check this thing out. 1997 Vortex truck. Nobody work. So the customer said he going straight to the body shop and get painted or whatever as soon as he leave me. As you can see, man, this thing real nice wood. He already got the interior, the seats or whatnot getting upholstered right now. And he said the same material that he going with the seats, he said he gonna put it for his headliner. So I won't be doing the headliner job on this one. Check out the wood. Got wood everywhere in this thing now. It's a nice short bed, man. OBS Silverado. So what I'm about to do now, man, I'm about to go ahead and finish the little procedures, finish all my cutting right quick and get this on out the way. And everything will be on down here for the rest of the part. See, pretty solid truck, man. Ride real good now. I ain't gonna lie, ride real good. Like, I got one, but you know what I'm saying? It's a 96, it's a Vortex too, but I had a little issue with like my muffler system and shit. So I guess 'cause it was so old, everything was pitting and riding out. So I'm trying to get everything back together with that one, my workhorse. So yeah, but I wish it rolled like this, but I got to give me a short bed too, y'all. So, but I'm gonna give me a fleet side. So that's gonna be one of my winter projects. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this thing real quick before I go ahead and bust her head open. And YT, I'm back. My phone had went dead, man, in my introduction of the video. But I've been working, man. Got it cut. Got it up. Just got it sitting up there for right now. Cause I'm still doing the markup on things, how I want to do it or whatnot. Trying to get it. When I was just up under there, they made it come all the way up, but same process, different whips, man. So that thing's sitting up there like blowed out. So I probably had to just probably cut this a little bit. Probably cut like right there, go right here to probably about to that hole and take that all the way down. And I still be able to put the light up. So I ain't really worried about cutting too much of this. But I'm gonna cut y'all back on in 1 minute, man. Cut y'all on in 1 minute once I get it welded up there and do what I gotta do, y'all. So y'all just stay posted with me, man. Just want to show y'all that hole. Yes, sir. Yo, YT, I'm back. Man. I don't know where I left off on the last part of the video, but all I know, man, is I got that roof up in there. Just wanted to take it around the corner, see like when I put the roots in, I like to take it around the corner and see what kind of see what it feel like with it in there. Make sure ain't nothing moving, I don't hear no noises. And that's what I do, man. I just take it around the corner, man, and get the feel of what the driver gonna feel, man, when he get up in here. Yeah, man. I love installing these roofs, man. It ain't about no money with me. I just love to do the job. Nice, clean work. Not too much on the body, man. That's gonna be a beautiful truck, man. It's already beautiful now, but man, I know it's gonna look good when he do what he do to it. But we got this thing up in here, man. One Touch Customs, man. We on the move. We got it going. Roof is in. And that's what's going down, man. Like I say, I'm not doing the headline on this one, so I really can close this video out because, you know, I like to keep it short and simple, man. I don't really want to bore y'all, man, with talking too much. But, man, that thing look good up in there, y'all. Yes, sir. So, let's back up this thing so y'all can see what it looks like. Oh yeah, like I said, man, I'm still on the hunt for me one. I'm gonna get the fleet side. As soon as I get it, I don't care if the motor ain't and the transmission ain't in the truck, man. I'm gonna throw me something up in there. Throw me a nice Impala roof in there as well. Yeah, that's it, y'all. About to close out this video. Like I said, cause I don't have it wired up. When I went to the yard to get this roof, somebody already had took the panel, and I had found me another one. Found me another one that was good, in good condition. But man, when I was taking the wires, I guess I was in a rush, I was in a hurry, and I had ended up snatching it out and kind of effed up the harness or whatnot. But I'm going in the morning, man. I'm gonna get me a new harness, wire it up. But tonight, I'm just gonna run the drain plugs, get all that situated, put all the pieces back on, and then just in the morning, all I gotta do is just slap that switch on. I already had the wires and stuff I already ran, and hell, that's gonna be it. But I'm out of here, y'all. Y'all like, comment, share, subscribe, man. Run One Touch up, man. Let's get it. Let's go. Yes, sir.